If you have a Poco phone with HyperOS 2 and Android 15 and you want to change the dialer app to another one, here's where you can go to do this. To find and change these settings, go ahead and use the quick access, and with the new HyperOS 2 you should have something that looks like this, and tap on your settings toggle right there. Once in this section here, go down a little bit until you see apps right here. Once in the apps section, you'll notice there is 3 dots at the top right. Go ahead and tap on that one time and you will see other settings. Go ahead and tap on other settings. Now that you're in the other settings section, tap on where it says default apps. And from here on, you'll see a whole bunch of different default app settings. And one of them will say dial. Tap on that once and you'll be taken to this right here. Now, if you're here and you only see one of them, which is the system default one, you can also go into the Play Store and search for some dialer apps and go ahead and install them. And if they are compatible, they will appear here and you can go ahead and switch over to them or change back to the one that you prefer, like and sub.